Have you ever wondered why we keep repeating certain behaviors? Why do students study harder after getting praised? Or why do we keep checking our phones after receiving notifications? The answer can be explained by one of the most influential psychologists in history, B.F. Skinner, the father of operant conditioning. Burrhus Frederick Skinner, or B.F. Skinner, was born on March 20th, 1904 in Pennsylvania, USA. He was an American psychologist and behaviorist who believed that our behaviors are shaped by their consequences. He expanded the work of John B. Watson and became one of the most influential figures in modern psychology. His famous idea is called operant conditioning, which explains how rewards and punishments influence our future behavior. Operant conditioning is a learning process where behavior changes because of what happens after we act. If a behavior is rewarded, we are more likely to repeat it. If a behavior has an unpleasant consequence, we are less likely to do it again. For example, if you study hard and receive a high grade, you're more motivated to study next time. The reward strengthens the behavior. To test his theory, Skinner invented the Skinner box. He placed a hungry rat inside a box with a lever. At first, the rat pressed the lever by accident. When it did, a food pellet was released. After repeating this several times, the rat learned that pressing the lever produced food, so it repeated the behavior more often. This experiment showed that behavior is shaped by its consequences. There are 4 important concepts in operant conditioning. First, positive reinforcement. This means adding something pleasant to increase a behavior. Example: a teacher praises a student for getting good grades, so the student studies even harder. Second, negative reinforcement. This means removing something unpleasant to increase a behavior. Example: you wear your seatbelt and the annoying alarm sound stops. Because the unpleasant sound disappears, you're more likely to wear your seatbelt again. Third, punishment. This decreases a behavior by giving an unpleasant consequence. Example: a driver receives a speeding ticket, making them less likely to speed again. Lastly, extinction. This happens when a behavior is no longer rewarded. Example: a child throws a tantrum for candy, but the parents stop giving in. Over time, the tantrums decrease because they no longer produce the desired result. B.F. Skinner's research reminds us that many of our daily habits are shaped by rewards and consequences. Whether it's studying, exercising, using social media, or building good habits, our environment influences what we do. But while consequences shape our behavior, we also have the ability to reflect, make conscious choices, and develop habits that align with our values. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this psychology lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.